This is the all new ASUS Vivobook X16 laptop. So इस बॉक्स के अंदर है the most beautiful and a powerful laptop. So let's begin with the unboxing. So ये रहा हमारा प्यारा सा लैपटॉप with the all new ASUS Vivobook logo on the top lid. So let's talk about the laptop. So look wise ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा aesthetic दिखने वाला लैपटॉप है with the most efficient hardware inside. Let's open the lid. So let's talk about the ports. On the left side आपको मिलता है USB Type A port with heat exhaust vents, and on the right side एक 3.5 mm audio jack with Type C port and 2 USB Type A port and 1 HDMI port, and उसके साइड में चार्जिंग के लिए पोर्ट. So the laptop looks absolutely beautiful, and इसके अंदर आपको मिलता है Intel Core i5 13500H processor with Intel Iris Xe graphics card, and also a unique feature, Alexa built-in, full-size white color backlit keyboard and full-size trackpad with fingerprint scanner, 16 inches full HD plus display with webcam and 2-way AI noise cancellation microphones. यहाँ पर आपको एक कैमरा शटर भी मिलता है